In this video, we'll show you how to upload a YouTube video using your phone. Whether you've recorded a video directly on your phone or edited it using an app like CapCut, we'll guide you through the entire process. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to open the Upload Options page. Select the video option, then choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. After selecting your video, you can preview it. If everything looks good, tap Next in the bottom right corner to continue. Here, you can add important details for your video. Tap the photo icon in the top left to add a custom thumbnail. Choose a thumbnail image from your gallery and crop it as needed, then press Select in the top right. Add a title for your video and a description to explain what your video is about. Next, set your video's visibility. You can choose to make it public, private, or unlisted. If you want it to be accessible by anyone, select Public. You'll also need to specify whether the video is made for kids or not. You can also add a location for the video, and if you have multiple videos on a similar topic, you can add it to a playlist. There are some advanced settings available as well. If your video has been altered or includes a paid promotion, like sponsorship, make sure to mark that. You can also enable or disable comments on your video. Once all the details are set, tap Upload at the bottom of the screen. Your video will start uploading, and once it's done, you'll be able to see it in your video list. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded your video to YouTube from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.